Hello, good morning and good evening everyone. I'm going to cook chicken onion stick. Very delicious. And this one of my husband dinner and favorite. And thank you for watching. First, you have to wash really good chicken, and then you have to slice a small piece, like thin, if you could. Then when you slice, the same process. So this is a chicken breast I bought in Walmart. Skinless chicken breast. So thank you for watching. Now it's done slicing, and then I have to cut a 1 whole of onion, and you have to cut like half, and then so that you have to cover it, and then also 6 cloves or 7 cloves of more fresh garlic. So thank you to all my co-YouTubers, to all my idols and my supporters. Thank you, please support me and don't skip the AdSense or commercial. And thank you for visiting my channel. Now, the chop the small cube, and also I add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and also 1 tablespoon of sugar and add soy sauce, and then stir it, mix it well, and then marinate this like 1 hour, and also I add olive oil, and I soy sauce, and also 2 tablespoons of oil, and stir fry the onion, and also how are you guys? And good luck to all of us. Thank you to all my co-YouTuber new subscriber. Thank you so much. And also I add the marinated chicken breast. So I have to fry this like a little bit, turn light brown or half cooked. So I add also the water, which the marinated sauce with soy sauce, black pepper, and also add a little bit of water. So as you can see, I need to turn the chicken or make sure the chicken is no more blood and a little bit light brown. So thank you. Subscribe, like, and share if you like my video. And then you have to simmer it. And then you keep mixing it, because if you don't mix, I don't want our chicken like overcook or turn really brown. So now we have to add a little bit of oil, like 1 tablespoon, and also add the fresh chopped garlic. So you have to stir it when the garlic is turned light brown. Then you have to simmer it. It's really good, guys. Now the soy sauce, that mix marinated soy sauce, and then you have to boil the chicken until the chicken gets cook and soft, and also when the sauce is gets sticky, you have to try it, make sure the taste is okay. So now I add the 1 tablespoon another sugar and like 1 tablespoon of black pepper. So you have to stir it and let the chicken simmer it. And then now we have to add the bell pepper and also onion and let the chicken simmer until it gets sticky and really cook the onions. The onions and bell pepper not really cook, overcook. So I want crispy, and add oyster sauce, like 1 tablespoon. And then make sure you have to stir it and simmer it again, and maybe simmer like 2 minutes. And then the food is ready to serve. And normally we eat this with rice, hot rice, or I make this, guys, for side dish like garlic rice, fried rice, garlic fried rice. So this is my husband dinner and my daughter. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, and leave comment. And thank you. See you in the next video. God bless. Bye.